Umbrellas. 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 Noun. Definition. A device consisting of a circular canopy of cloth on a folding metal frame supported by a central rod, used as protection against rain. Example. Yet as I pack a bag to hold water and umbrellas and tissue paper, I'm quite aware that the 3 hours will not feel like that. Noun. Definition. A protecting force or influence. Example. Europe sought a measure of independence from the U.S. defense umbrella. Noun. Definition. A thing that includes or contains many different elements or parts. Example. The umbrella body for more than 100 training organizations.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.